All right, so the topic for Module 11 is Python modules. And you've been using modules in the class quite a bit, actually. Um, you've been using the random module to generate random numbers or choose random items from a list in the rock, paper, scissors app. You've been using the turtle module almost every week to draw all kinds of interesting patterns. And I talked about modules early on in the class. Modules are really what makes Python so special because modules allow Python to do almost anything you can imagine, from interfacing with robotics to doing complicated math to machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Because what modules do is they allow us to build custom functions and package them in files that can easily be shared to other people, to other computers, and between several different programs of our own. So they're really, really useful. And it's that portability that makes them so easy to use and so useful. For what it's worth, Python modules don't have to be written in Python. They can be written in any language. We're going to write them in Python today, but you don't have to write them in Python. As long as Python can access that code, you can use that module.